Alright folks, I just wanted to show you this. This is his bike and the two minifigures and the tree. So this is the train station, and this will definitely go on the track. It's connected to it. I have to figure out where to put this on the layout, which I will have downstairs on the table. So yep, just to give you a short little video on that, I'm going to put this down and out of the way because I'm done with it, and I'm going to go on to the next video, which will be the train. Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. Bag change here. I'm going to go through, pull this out. Put that over there. Get another minifigure in here somewhere. I'll figure out where this person is. So I need this and this. I need that. Okay. Get that out of the way for a minute. So I've got the body. This is the conductor. Really cool. Conductor. Yeah, so we're going to put him over here. Right there. Okay, we're going to go on to the bigger things. Okay, so I need this. And I need a yellow 2x4. And that one goes here. And I need a gray block, and that one goes there. Okay. This one might go a little quicker. Wait, I'm missing something here. My page is stuck together. Got it. Okay. So I need a 1x4 and a tan block. The tan block will go here. And the 1x4 will go there. I need 4 of these long. 4 of these long light gray. Yep. Cool. Okay, and then these, like that. Just like that. Ta-da! Okay, and then I need one of those. 2 of these red pieces with 2 studs on them. So then we're going to put this one here, and this one here, and then we're going to put this one here. Just like that. Okay. Got a little bit of time here. Trying to keep these videos under 5 minutes. It's kind of hard to do. The last one was a little bit longer than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. So I'm going to put this here, right there. Then I'm going to put this like this, and then like that. See? Okay. And I need 4 of these and 2 of those corner things. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 of these long white ones, and then the 2 corner pieces. Okay, and then this. It's gonna go like that. And then this is gonna go on the outside of this and line this up like that. And this is gonna go like that. That's gonna go like that. Okay, so now what I need. Alright, I'll see you in the next bit.